Hello guys, this is Brian back with the Cardano ADA token update. As you can see there, we hit our price targets from yesterday, just barely nicked it there, that's for sure, but we came up and touched that 368699. The high for the day was 369000, so we just nicked it, but we did hit it, so that's awesome. And I'm going to go over this chart and see where we could be headed next here in a second. I got a couple things I want to show you here. The CPI report that came out this morning, inflation's fell for the 8th straight month in a row, so that's fantastic. 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, United States, they announced that it measured a 6, and it's down from 6.4. So that was fantastic news. Binance is going to convert $1 billion of BUSD stablecoin, that's the Binance stablecoin, to Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and other tokens. And they're going to do this to help support the market, help kind of prop it up a little bit, since we've had a little bit of a rough run here. And the crypto fear and greed index, the market cap is up 2.7%. Volume is down 36.5% over 24 hours, and the Bitcoin dominance is at 42%, up 0.36%. But down here it says we are in greed. Now, I don't know, 2 days of greed price action, that doesn't really equate to greed to me, but that's what it says. So yesterday was fear, last week was fear, and let's get over here. But them inflation numbers, they've led to some big gains in the market today. You can see all these double-digit gainers. Singularity's up 30%. That thing's just been flying. So some nice increases there. But as soon as that inflation came out, I want to show you, because these are very important. It's very important to show these. These all tie in together. We set a new high, a higher high in Bitcoin, not a new high, a higher high. So in an uptrend, you have to have higher highs and higher lows. I expect this thing to come down here and bounce around before it heads up next. And quite honestly, there's no resistance really between 25.2 and 28.5, geez, almost $29,000. There's not much resistance here for Bitcoin. So quite honestly, I can see it heading up there next. No resistance really at all. So I'm going to show you the total market cap also, because it also set a higher high. We had this high, it took it out. We set a higher high. It's probably going to cool off. The RSI down here, we had some volume coming in, which is beautiful. The RSI is getting high, which means this thing needs to cool off for a little bit. Now the total market cap without Bitcoin has not set a higher high yet. Right over here, it needs to take that high out almost, but not quite. And the RSI on it's getting a little high, and we had volume coming in there. So we have some volume coming in the market. We just need to stay steady here and hold the line as far as these higher highs and higher lows go. But as far as Cardano goes, we had this breakout. We had this daily trend line coming down. We broke out of that. Okay, we shot up to what the day's range. 36.9 was the high for the day, so we hit our price target here. I expect this thing to come up further. Now the RSI is overextended on it on a daily. On the 4 hour, it is peaked out. In fact, it's curling over. And on the 1 hour, it's coming down. The 1 hour is almost reset, so we could get a little pop here on the hourly. We could get another run at that price, but especially since daily is still on its way up here. It's at 94 and 66. So we could get another run here yet today on this price, but I expect it to come up here somewhere, and this is going to determine the direction it's heading. I believe this downsloping resistance, we're going to hit it. If we put a Fibonacci on this thing, okay, the 618 is right here. We made it past it, so that's a good sign. That's 702. We need to get through there and the 786. The 702 is a very familiar zone for ABC correction. Usually you'll get your A leg, your B will come up to your 702, and then your C leg will come down. But we need to get through that 702, and then we're going to run into this and see what happens here. There's really not, we need volume to come in to blast through this, but really not a whole lot, more to cover on that. We need to wait and see what happens. But if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do get subscribed. I'd love to have you here, and I'll check in tomorrow, guys, with this. But we hit our first price target here. We'll see how this thing's looking tomorrow. Have a very great night, everybody. Thank you for watching my video.